Morning, bank holiday Monday, and as usual, look at the weather, it's terrible, but it's not raining at the moment. It's supposed to be raining in the next hour or two. I couldn't get out any earlier because I have to take the missus to work, so I've just come out, and yeah, the clouds are looking crap, so I might have an hour. So let's go and see what I can do in an hour, if anything. Mentioned in one of my other videos that recently I've got a bit of a, I wouldn't say fetish, but a thing for tree creepers. And I've seen some round here before. Just having a quick look before I completely dismiss this part. But no, I don't like, nothing's moving around in here. This is a really bad sign. I've spoken to 4 people so far, and all of them are saying how quiet it is. And yeah, I haven't seen anything. Tell a lie, I took a photo of a cormorant. But that can be expected here, really. Well, as quick as I went in there is as quick as I came out. Absolutely nothing going on in there. Well, I got a couple of sand martins flying around up and over my head. Now they keep coming from the back of me, but I can't shoot into that direction because the sun is there. And when they're flying over my shoulder, they're kind of flying away from me, so I'm not really getting the front of them. I'm shooting at 2,500th of a second at f6.3. I'm using the burst rate, not the high plus, just the normal high. And I'm using wide focusing, no tracking, just wide focusing, because they are front and center of the screen and there's nothing kind of before them. So it should automatically pick those up with the focusing. There's no need for tracking. Okay, so while I was taking photos of the sand martin, I saw a sparrowhawk. I kind of got the back end of it. I'm kind of hoping he hangs around, because I have seen the sparrowhawk fly over here a couple of times. Now the places I have seen it, it kind of flies towards the camera now. So fingers crossed, we might catch another glimpse and I might get a shot. I've come down the hill slightly so I can get a bit of a better view of him popping up over the trees. While I was waiting for the sparrowhawk to kind of emerge, nothing really happened, and when I looked to my left, I think I saw him going into one of them big trees. So I've kind of moved the camera just with the off chance of catching the sparrowhawk when he comes back, and also some sand martins have started to appear a bit. But as soon as I've moved my camera, typical my luck, they disappear. But what's that noise? Oh, oyster catcher. I think we'll give it another 5 minutes there just to see what happens. And then we'll have a walk around. But I think this might be the best place today. There's not really a lot going on up here. It's quite quiet, which is as to be expected really. There's a couple of herons scattered around, and that's about it really. There's no lapwings or anything like that flying around. A couple of magpies and a couple of jackdaws, but yeah, it's very, very quiet. So I'm going to crack on to the last hide, I think, and then walk back as the it's pretty pointless just sitting up here. I really could do with a drink. Oh, it's gone quite warm. As soon as I get around this corner, there's a bench. I'm going to sort myself out and take this coat off. The light's gone really, really bright now. Sun's come out a bit. It's got really contrasty, which makes things even more difficult. And it's that time of day where nothing comes out anyway. It's kind of midday. Well, it is midday. It's about 12:30. Normally I'm well gone before now. So I'm going to walk to the bench, take my coat off, then have another walk to the last hide. Once I've done that, then I'm going to crack on through the forest, through the trees. See if I can see through there. I haven't been through there for a while. I really, really need a drink. I never forget my drink. I feel like I've been chewing on Gandhi's flip-flop. Well, there's absolute diddly squat going on in there. Right, into the woods. There's a blackcap in that tree. I've just fired it from the tree on the right. I couldn't get a good shot because it was kind of, well, it was contrasty really from the sun. So I'm just trying to hope he kind of pops forward a bit. But I've took my eye off him and I think I've lost him now. Be rude not to have a look as we're passing them really. You never know. Oh, there was a whole lot of nothing in that hide too. I did actually just hear a woodpecker in them trees, but it's pretty pointless now anyway because the light's too harsh and the photos wouldn't come out that good. Well, that's it folks. Sorry the content wasn't that good, but something I have tried to improve on this week is the video quality. Video quality and video content. Just trying out a few new things. I feel like I've had a little bit more time this week to try some of the different settings and to probably try and improve on my video work. So that's it. Well, I would say I'm almost back at the car. I'm not. I'm about 5-10 minutes away from the gate, but I'm just dawdling now, looking for something, and nothing is going to happen. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to put the stuff away as soon as I stop this video, and I'm going to make a beeline for the car. Nothing's going to happen now. The light's too harsh. It's really quiet, and well, I haven't seen anything for the last 2 hours, so I don't think I'm going to see anything for the next 15-20 minutes walk back. So, just goes to show, not every outing with the camera is good, and you don't always get what you want to get. Sometimes you end up just going out and just going for a walk, which is what today has been. May have 1 or 2 shots out of it, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time. You know what? I'm going to walk back this way. I've never walked back this way before. I don't even know what's down here. Probably nothing. Oh, I have been here before. See? Too much messing about, Mark. Now it's raining.